I'm hoping that this video is going to be watched by adults, okay? If you are not 18 year plus, please skip this video, okay? When it comes to eat and appetite wise, this one very waist training, you can't get everything slim once and forever, okay? It takes time for you to get the desired waistline that you want. It makes you honey, okay? Let's just put it clear. To the bathroom to use myself, I'm going to pee. Oh my god, I've never experienced this before, but it's crazy.
This is a banger. Would I dare not the bar? Money man don't can at the bar. Hey, would I dare not the bar? Diamond boy don't drop at the bar. Would I dare not the bar? Money man.
I told you all that today I got time. Today I have time. So when I have time, we make videos, okay? So you guys are gonna see this face. Don't feel offended because today I have time. You understand? And the weather is kind of, the rain has slowed down because it was raining, thunder, everything. So now the weather is kind of cool and you're gonna have time. Let's come with the videos. So if you guys have been following me on my vlog channel, if you are not subscribed to my vlog channel, girl, you need to go and subscribe to my vlog channel because I drop some teas. I drop some information on that channel that sometimes maybe you don't have patience to wait till I come here. Follow me on my vlog channel at AMIFULLEST live vlog, and you guys are gonna get all the juice, the tea, and everything that is going on behind the scenes with your girl. So I've given you guys tea on this MACA ROOT that I have been taking. Honestly speaking, I stopped taking it. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I stopped taking this MACA ROOT. I think the whole of this week I haven't even taken it. The whole of this week and last week also I didn't take it because this MACA ROOT has been doing me some younger, doing me somehow. It's doing me somehow that I was like, man, one has to stop taking it. Yeah, when it comes to eat and appetite wise, this one very when I start taking it like a week or something, like yo, because I don't know, it's because I'm taking it twice in the morning, twice in the afternoon, twice in the evening. That's the reason why that I was eating so much and I'm starting to gain weight. I start again with my corset because I was like, I need to snatch this waist. So I start again with my corset. I start waist training again. And if you guys also know, I went ahead and buy some shapewear because I was like, this weight is coming and I can't, with the waist training, you can't get everything slim once and forever. Okay, it takes time for you to get the desired waistline that you want. So I don't have patience to be waiting for that forever. So I thought, let me get myself some shapewear. So for when I put my dress, at least the dress will look smoother on me. So that's what I have been doing. So if you guys have not seen my shapewear video, I'll leave it for you guys in the comment box, and I'll also pin it for you guys right here. Go and check that video out. And my body looks so beautiful. I look so good in that shapewear, and I've been really getting a lot of weight. So this MACA ROOT is very, very effective. It's very, very good, and I have been eating like hell, especially when somebody cook and I'm not the one who cook the food. I can eat for days. Last week, the past weekend, I was at the family house and they had some program, some small program now and there. And then when I was coming back home, I carry food. Like I really package food. I carry to my house. I package a lot of food because when somebody cooks, I can eat like you be asking me, I mean, what is wrong with you? But if I cook myself, I find it very difficult for me to eat. If I cook and my girlfriend is around, she will finish the food. She'll be like, oh, the food is so delicious. Oh, she will eat. But me personally, I find it very difficult to eat my own food. So when I was away for the weekend, when I was coming back, Lord, I take food. I take fried chicken, meat pie, in couscous with chicken, jollof rice with chicken, another jollof rice with chicken. This one is curry rice with shrimps. I carry food. So this whole week when I wake up in the morning, I eat rice. Afternoon, evening, I have been eating the rice. It's not even finished. This morning I eat couscous, and then I eat the one of the jollof rice, and then I eat 3 meat pie, and then I eat fried chicken. So I have been really eating, and I've seen that I'm gaining weight. I'm like, whoa, chill. But I've stopped taking this macro because this thing makes you want to do. It makes you horny. Okay, let's just put it clear. I'm hoping that this video is going to be watched by adults. Okay, if you are not 18 years plus, please skip this video. Okay, this thing, I don't know this particular brand. My experience, this makes me horny. This makes me want to do. It makes me really horny, especially when I am going to the bathroom to use myself. I'm going to pee. Oh my god, I've never experienced this before, but it's crazy. I can't go into full details, but it's crazy. It makes you really horny. It's increase your sexual desire, like from 0 to 100. Like, you know, like you are in the mood every minute, hour. Like I was, honestly speaking, taking this thing, I was in the mood for, like, if you want, we can do in the morning, in the afternoon, in between the afternoon, in the evening, before sleeping. I was in the mood. I was like, it's becoming like too much, and I had to stop taking it. I was like, no, this is becoming too much. The desire, the urge is becoming too much, and also the urge is there. And when you don't get what you want, when you have those desires, you don't get it. I become very annoying. I become very irritating. I get very irritating. I get easily mad. I get upset very quickly. Oh my god, I get upset very quickly because, like, you have this urge, you have this desire, and you can't get it. And sometimes, even if you have partner, your partner will not have that energy that you have to be doing every now and then, 5-6 times a day or 4 times a day. Nobody have energy for that. But because I am taking this MACA ROOT, like, the energy comes from nowhere. The energy is just dead. Normally on my normal days, nobody got time for 4 times, 3 times, 2 times. Nobody got time for that. Nobody have energy for that. But because I'm taking this MACA ROOT, like, you have energy, the desire is there, the energy is there. Like, you want to be, I just want to do. I just want to lay down in bed, bring food, room service. Like, just do me room service and let's just do. That's all. That's the vibes. That's the energy I go with taking this MACA ROOT. And if I don't get that, I get really annoyed. Not annoyed in a sense, but I get really irritated because the feeling is there and you don't get it. The feeling is there. You can't release that energy anywhere, and you just get annoyed. I keep doing stuff around the house. I keep busy. Like, I was busy with the garden, trying to clean the garden, removing stuff. But with the energy, I did do a lot of stuff around the house, which were good, which were really good. Kind of clean the garden. So if you guys want to see the garden, how I clean the back of my garden, follow me on my vlog channel. Link will be right here, and also in the comment box. I did a lot of stuff with that energy. But the desire of the sexual desire was just too much. It was just really, really much. So I had to stop taking it. And I still have like 2 bottles. I still have a full bottle that I haven't even used yet. This is closed. You guys can see. This is closed. I haven't really opened this one. And I haven't even finished this one because it's becoming too much. So that's my experience. But so far, I really, really love it. I love it. And also, what I love about this MACA ROOT, when it comes to the end of the month, your lady time, the end of the month, it's time for, menstrual cycles. I don't have any pain. That was the reason why I actually picked it up. I didn't pick it up anymore because of the weight gain stuff. I pick it up because of that pain that I get every time I have my monthly cycle. Every time I'm on my period, I got so much pain. It's very annoying. Like, I really got so much pain under my stomach, and that happens like especially on the first or on the second and the third days. It get a little bit lesser, but on the fourth day, I can barely walk. I have so much pain, and that was the reason why I thought, you know what, let me take this. Let me go and buy some MACA ROOT and be taking it for that. But I got something else. So yeah, I stopped taking it, but I'm gonna continue taking it. But for now, I'm just like, you know what, let me just stop so that everything can calm down, because you can't come and kill somebody's child. You can't go and kill somebody's child. So I was like, let me just stop. Let me just, I don't know, my nose is so itchy. Let me just stop taking it. So guys, that's it. I'm stopping for now. I haven't taken it now for like a week now or something. I think more than a week now, and I feel really good. I still eat quite a lot. I don't know, it's because the food that I have, somebody else cook it for me. Maybe that's the reason why I'm still eating, but I don't know. But I'm still eating a lot. I'm really eating, and I really love the fact that I'm still eating, even though I've stopped taking it. I'm gonna continue taking it, but maybe not twice every single day. Not twice in the morning, twice in the afternoon, twice in the evening. Maybe I will take it once. One pill in the morning, one pill in the evening, maybe twice a day. Or maybe 3 times a day, but at least one pill instead of 2 pill, 1 pill. But I'm going to continue this one another time. But for all of this week, I just want to rest. I just want to stop. Let my body, let everything, let the urge, the desire, everything just calm down, because it is very, very crazy. So yeah, so if you guys have tried this and you have that experience, let me know in the comment box, because the first MACA ROOT pill that I used, you guys know I didn't have that. I didn't have that feeling, honestly speaking. But with this one, also on my vlog channel, I have been giving you guys hints that this MACA ROOT is something else. So follow me on my vlog channel, because I do drop some tea there once in. I do drop some tea there that what is going on in my life. So yeah, let me know what you all think, and if you guys have experienced this, let me know in the comment box. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. If you guys have any question, let me know. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram, mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. TeamFullest, peace out.